How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on settings. Now under your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then tap on help and tap on help center. Once you tap on help center, now you need to just simply go with voice and video calls. And then you can go with voice call or video call, any option that you're comfortable with. And after that, select a reason in which you're facing the problem. So for example, I will go with the first one, which is how to make a voice call, or how to make a group voice call. Now you need to scroll down, and here on the bottom right, you will have contact us option. Tap on contact us and it will take you to this kind of page. Now you just need to simply write that I'm having issues with my WhatsApp calls being unavailable. Please help me to fix this problem as soon as possible. And after that, go with next, which is on the bottom right, and your report will be submitted. And after submitting your report within a few hours or after 24 hours, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.